My name is Laura, and I'm one of the Digital Training Associates here at Resilience, the UK's Medicine Manufacturing Skills Centre of Excellence. At Resilience, we use digital technologies to enhance training in the medicine manufacturing sector. And today, I'm going to show you how to create a boundary using the MetaQuest 3 VR headset. To create a boundary, you can use either your hands or the controllers. And today, we're going to use the controllers. The buttons that you're going to use to set a boundary are the triggers, the joysticks, and the A and X buttons. So in order to set a boundary, we are going to open the menu, and we're going to go to Quick Controls, and we're going to select Boundary. It will ask us if we want to adjust room scale, so we will click Adjust Boundary. And we can either use the automatic boundary selection tool, or we can create our own. And for the best experience, we are going to use Choose Your Own Boundary, and then choose Room Scale. The first step will be to confirm the floor. Purple crosses will appear around us on the floor, and if this matches with the actual floor, then we can confirm. If you want the floor level to be lower down, let's say if you're working with small children and the table is too high, then you can use the joystick to pull it towards you while the hand is close to the floor. Once you're happy with the floor height, then click Confirm. Now it will ask you to suggest a boundary, and to do that, you're going to use the trigger button. And when you look down, you'll see a dot with a few white crosses around it. In order to select the spot, click the trigger button and hold the trigger button down, and then create a big circle around you. We suggest about 1.5 meters on either side of you. Click Confirm, and now the boundary is set. And you can open your favorite app. So we're going to open Eclipse Creator from 4+. We're going to put the controllers down because it's all hand-tracked. And look at our hands. Purple gloves will appear. And then bring the menu in front. And I'm just going to select any protocol. And now you see that the table is right on the floor, which is the right way for it to be. And you can work safely within the boundary. However, if you do reach near the edge of the boundary, this grid will appear, and that's when you know that you're outside your boundary. I hope this tutorial was useful, and for more resources, don't forget to check out our website in the description below.